This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rami Salem. Available now. This beautiful home in Northwood Oaks with new roof, new water heater, new dishwasher, newer AC, freshly painted inside and outside, newer windows and sliding door, updated bathrooms and new vinyl flooring. Through the front door, you're welcomed into a bright living space open to the dining room and kitchen. All stainless steel appliances. In the hallway leading to the rest of the home you'll find the 3 bedrooms with the guest bathroom features a skylight. Backyard is fenced all around. Call today to schedule a showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Rami Salem at 352-494-8521.